Tutorial 6. Hello and welcome. The following tutorial explains the process of learning about single variable statistics. During this process, we enable the mindset detector to learn the acceptable boundaries of every model's variable values. The system receives the data and learns the statistical upper and lower bounds, the average, median and standard deviation, as well as several other properties about the model's variables. The learning process starts by clicking the Learn button on the Learn screen. It is possible to filter the records used for learning. There are two ways to do this. One is based on dates, using the Filter by Dates checkbox, and providing suitable start and end dates. The other way is to use a logical term, similar to the where part of an SQL sentence. This option is activated by checking the Filter by Rule checkbox. The significance level field should contain a positive value below 1, which defines the range used for filtering data. For example, the definition of the value 0.01 will filter the upper and lower percentile of the data. The filtering process is a non-parametric procedure and does not take into account any type of distribution. Upon completing the process, a suitable message is received and a new version of the model is automatically saved to the database. The results of this learning process can be viewed through the Variables tab. Thank you. We hope you have found this tutorial helpful and clear. If not, or if you have any additional suggestions or comments regarding this tutorial, please submit your remarks via our website.